Good morning, Huskies. This is Ms. Schott, your PBIS coach, with a special PBIS announcement. Each month, the PBIS team meets to review behavior data at the school. One thing that we look at is the time that the referrals are happening. We look at the month. We also look at the location of behaviors here on campus, what day of the week are the referrals occurring. We also look at what type of behaviors are students exhibiting, as well as which grade level is getting the most referrals. This type of data helps us to examine the problems that we're having on campus. Well, our team noticed upon looking at this data that in the last couple of years we've seen a trend, and that in the month of October, our referrals have been the highest for the first semester. In an attempt to reduce the number of referrals that we have in October, we've come up with a plan. Now, the plan is to have a fall carnival where students can attend based on behavior. This carnival will be free for students to attend. Only students that are demonstrating that positive behavior are eligible to attend. And there's going to be tons of fun rides and activities. We have things like the tug and dunk, giant slides, obstacle courses, as well as the bungee run. Now, the criteria to attend the carnival is very simple. You just need to follow two simple rules. You cannot get more than one minor referral across any of your classes. So you have 6 classes on a daily basis. If you get more than one referral in any of those classes, you are not able to attend. If you get any major referrals, you cannot attend as well. So again, the criteria, no more than one minor referral and no major referrals. Now you might be asking, well, how long does this, are we tracking this behavior? So the start date will be Monday, October the 6th. So starting on Monday, we're going to start looking at the behavior results for the data. And we're going to look at the data all the way up until Monday, November 10th. Now, the carnival is that following week on that Friday. So Friday, November 14th is the carnival. So that means you need to demonstrate positive behavior for 5 weeks in order to be eligible to attend. So don't forget, this carnival is a fun time for students to come on out. It'll be free for you to go. Last year we had a spring carnival where we had about 750 students attend. We have a late bus, we have tons of food vendors. It's a really great time to celebrate your positive behavior on campus. So don't forget your PAWS. P stands for your personal best. A stands for act responsibly. W stands for wise choices, and S stands for shows respect. I wish you the best of luck this semester, and I hope to see you at the carnival. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.